Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how to download Google Drive files all at once. So let's get into it. First of all, let's navigate to the Google account and open it. Once the Google account opens up on your computer screen, click on Data and Privacy. In Data and Privacy, scroll down and find Download or Delete Your Data. Click on Download Your Data. Deselect all the selected options and then find Google Drive from this menu. Checkmark Google Drive. Then from the very bottom of this page, click on Next Step. Before downloading the files, you can select your destination from this menu. You can export all the files at once or go with the second option, which is to export every 2 months for 1 year. You can select the file type in which you want to receive the downloaded data and decide the file size according to your storage. Once you are all done with these settings, click on Create Export. And that's it. Google is creating a copy of the data from Drive, and this process will take time. But you will receive an email when the export is done. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more information, please subscribe our YouTube channel and thank you for watching.